last module, we have discussed about mitosis. So right now, we will discuss the another type of cell cycle, which is meiosis. So let's have our learning objectives first. So at the end of this module, the student should be able to, number one, describe the stages of meiotic cell division, and then number two, we have discussed the crossing over. So we have here the comparison between meiosis and mitosis para hindi po tayo malito. So the number of divisions in mitosis is only one. That is why we have PMAT. While in meiosis, we have two. We have the meiosis 1 and then the meiosis 2. Kaya ang palatandaan natin dito is 2 PMATs, dalawa. And also, the number of daughter cells in mitosis is only 2. While in meiosis, we have 4. May 4 na mapoproduce at the end of the cycle. Next one, we have, are they genetically identical? In mitosis, the answer is yes. While in meiosis, the answer is no. Next one, we have the chromosome number. How many chromosomes are present in mitosis? So, parehas lang po sa parent cell. We have there the diploid and then they have 46. While in meiosis, half of the parent, kalahati nung sa parent, we have their haploid, which is 23 chromosomes. Next one, where does mitosis happen? Sa somatic cells, while in meiosis, it is in the gametes or the sex cells. We have the egg and then the sperm cells. Next one, when does mitosis happen? It is throughout our life. Kasi kahit na matandaan na tayo, diba, kapag nasusugat tayo, nare-repair pa rin yung wounded cells. While in meiosis, it happens at sexual maturity. Just like when a girl or a woman reach the stage wherein she already has her monthly period. Next one, the role of mitosis is again for growth and repair, while in meiosis, we have their sexual reproduction. So let's start the discussion on the cycle or the cell cycle of meiosis. So we have here meiosis 1, prophase 1. So again, wag tayong malilito. We have meiosis 1 and then meiosis 2. So 2 PMATs. So let's start with prophase 1. So in prophase 1, this is where the nuclear envelope disintegrates, and also it is where synapses and then crossing over happens. So what is exactly synapses and crossing over? So the synapses is the connecting of homologous chromosome. When we say homologous, parehas po sila ng structure, just like what you are seeing here. Parehas po sila ng identity. Parehas sila ng structure, just like what we have here. Parehas sila ng kulay. While the crossing over, yan na po yung nagsishare sila ng genetic material. So for example, yung mama mo, she has her brown eyes while your dad has the blue eyes. Ayan, nagsisharing na po sila dito. Here, ayan, crossing over. So as you can see, yung light green na color napunta nahalo sa blue, and then yung blue napunta naman sa kabila. That's how crossing over happens. Nagpapalitan. Next one, we have here in the Metaphase 1. So again, Metaphase middle. So the pair of homologous chromosome align at the metaphase plate. Ito, yung nasa gitna. Yung nasa equator. And then the homologous chromosome are attached to the spindle fibers. This is the spindle fibers. Naka-attach na po sila. So again, Metaphase middle. Next one, in Anaphase 1, we have there the homologous chromosome separates seeds at the opposite pole. So, anaphase, apart or away. Ayan, ito po. Here. So, papunta sila sa opposite pole. Next one, we have there the Telophase 1. So, it is where the nuclear envelope forms, and we can see here the cleavage furrow, yung parang number 8. This is the Telophase 1. And ang meron na po dyan ay diploid. So, in prophase 2, ito na po yung pangalawang cycle. So, ito yung end ng Meiosis 1. Ayan na yung dalawa. So, in Prophase 2, wala na ditong crossing over ha. Wala na pong crossing over dito sa Prophase 2. So, in Prophase 2, we have there the nuclear envelope disintegrates and then the formation of spindle fiber. Ayan. Ito po yung spindle fibers. Next one, we have the Metaphase II. So again, Metaphase middle. It is where the chromosomes align at the metaphase plate. Here, ayan po, yung nakikita po natin dito. Here's the metaphase plate, yung nasa gitna equator. And then the chromosomes are attached in the spindle fiber. Next one, in Anaphase II, we have each chromosome is divided into 2 sister chromatids, just like what you are seeing here, and then each chromatids move to the opposite pole. So again, Anaphase away. Next one, we have the Telophase II. It is where the nuclear membrane is formed around each set of chromosomes and then the cleavage furrow forms. So in cytokinesis, there is where the formation of 4 haploid daughter cells. So thank you so much for listening and reaching this end of the video lesson. I hope you've learned something from today. And if you have any questions regarding this module, you can approach your respective subject teacher during their consultation time. Thank you so much for listening and have a nice day.